Hello, good afternoon, family from my part of the world. I'm shooting this video from Nigeria. So, if it is afternoon from your side, good afternoon. If it is morning, good morning. And if it is evening, good evening. My name still remains Pharmacist Jacob, the profitable forex trader. Today, I still want us to go through this video. Somebody requested for it, and I'm trying to fulfill my promise because I promised him I'm going to um, do the video released today about my strategy. And my strategy is called ACC. A stands for aggressive move, C stands for correctional move, and then the other last C stands for continuation move. Guys, trading is not supposed to be very complicated. The strategy I use is very straightforward, simple. Even my 8-year-old son know about it. You can analyze the market using my strategy. You can imagine it's as simple as that. Very straightforward. But by the time you complicate it, that's when it becomes difficult for you to be able to become profitable. So I will advise that you follow me or anyone you know that is finding it difficult to get a good trading strategy. Recommend my video to them. Tell them about my video. Let them come. Let them follow me. Let them subscribe to my channel. And I assure you, I give you 3 to 6 months. If you are not profitable, then perhaps you are doing something else. Perhaps you are following so many mentors on YouTube. The, the secret to become profitable is that get one mentor and stick to him. Get one strategy and stick to it. No strategy gives you 100% win. Winning is also part of losing is also part of the game. This is psychology. And I promise from time to time I'll be talking about psychology. We have to guide our mind with several information that will help us to become successful. Friends, nothing good comes easy. Anything that will change your life, it has a price tag attached to it. And I tell you, nothing good comes easy. So one of the things is that you must learn how to relearn, learn, and then you know you must learn how to unlearn, relearn, and then continue learning. That's what makes you to become profitable. So I will advise that most of the energy we will be using is to channel it towards our psychology. We have to get our psychology intact because that's what one thing that will make us to become profitable long time. Strategy should not be a problem. So my strategy, what I do normally, I go to the higher time frame, 4 hour time frame, and look at the trend of the market. Is it uptrend or downtrend? But as you can see, we are using gold to analyze. You can see that gold is on upward move, that's uptrend move. And in drawing trend line, you can use week to week or body to body. But for today's demonstration, I want us to use week to week. I want us to use week to week. So this is trough. This is another trough. For the benefit of people that are still learners, they are still new to trading, all you need to draw a trend is two trough if it is uptrend, and if it is downtrend, you need only two peaks. This is a peak, this is a peak. That's if you are drawing downtrend. But for this purpose, we are drawing uptrend. We need at least two trough. This is trough one, and this is the second trough. Then I go to 1 hour time frame to also look at the trend of the market. I want to ensure that 4 hour is in synchrony with 1 hour. That's all. So if 4 hour is telling me uptrend, I'm expecting to see that when I got to 1 hour, 1 hour should tell me the same thing. And as you can see, 1 hour is telling us that this market is still a bullish market, a bullish market. And I go to 15 minutes time frame to look for entry. It's as simple as that. So for the person that asked me to analyze using 1 hour, all I do in 1 hour is to ensure that 1 hour is in agreement with 4 hour. So 4 hour, I check uptrend. I will go to 1 hour and confirm is it still uptrend or downtrend. And as you can see, it's uptrend. But if it is downtrend, I will wait until I see 4 hour in synchrony with 1 hour. I'm not doing anything. And as you can see, 1 hour is in synchrony with 4 hour. 1 hour is still telling us that the trend is bullish. Then I will go to 15 minutes simple to look for entry. Now in the 15 minutes, that's when I'll apply my ACC. A stands for aggressive move. So this is the aggressive move. This is the aggressive move up to this level. And this one that is coming down now is the correctional move. And I will look for entry around this area as the correctional move here, because this is the aggressive move, this is the correctional move. So I will look for entry at this level, at this particular level here, to target this high. It's as simple as that, guys. I'm targeting this area. It's as simple as that. So what I do, go to 4 hour, check for the trend of the market. Because I'm a day trader, I will go to 1 hour, look at the trend again. Are they in agreement with the 4 hour? If yes, I proceed to 15 minutes to look for entry. But if 4 hour is telling me different thing from 1 hour, I'm not doing anything. I will sit on my arms and wait until I see that 4 hour is in agreement with 1 hour. Then I'll proceed to 15 minutes time frame to look for entry. So 15 minutes time frame, I look for the A. That's the aggressive move. This is the aggressive move from here. Then I will patiently wait for the correctional move. Trading is a game of waiting, guys. You don't just enter the market and place buy or sell because you see market is going up or going down. You will lose money. So I wait here strategically, at this level, to wait for the correction to come. After the correction has come, then I will look for entry here, and target this high. So if I were to trade gold, if I'm going to put a pending order, I'm targeting this level. If I'm going to trade gold and plus place a pending order, I'm targeting this level here because gold is very volatile. So I'm targeting this level. I'm putting my pending order here because gold is likely going to come down, touch here, and then start going up. So if I'm trading gold, I will put my pending order up to this level and then target high up to this level, up to this level. And then my stop loss will be slightly below the wick, slightly below the wick. At least, let's say my stop loss should be around, to be at the safer side, my stop loss will be around 88. I believe you know how to count pips in gold. So you can see my stop loss is around 88. This one 8.87. It means 88 pips on gold. 88 pips. So my stop loss is 88 pips because of the volatility of gold. And then I'm risking one to gain 11.61. I'm risking one to get 11.61. So if I'm risking $100, I'm targeting to get 1,160 $1,160. It's as simple as that, guys. So there's no complication about trading. Simple. Go to 4 hour time frame, look at the trend of the market, check 1 hour time frame. Is the market still telling you uptrend? Is it still bullish? If it's yes, you proceed. If it is no, just relax. You have to ensure that 4 hour and 1 hour are in synchrony. Then, if it is yes, you proceed to 15 minutes. Then you look for the aggressive move, wait for the correctional move to come down here, and then the continuation move is the one you are going to target. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. So I hope I've impacted knowledge to you guys. Please kindly follow me up, kindly recommend my videos to people, let them subscribe because it is in subscribing my channel that you encourage me. If the channel is growing, I'll be encouraged to release more educative videos like this, guys. And I promise we'll be talking about psychology because psychology in trading carry about 60%. Trading strategy maybe 10%, and then risk management. I have some videos too that I discuss about risk management. You can watch my videos on risk management. Risk management carry like 30%, but psychology all in one carry like 60%. So long run, for you to become successful, you have to know something. There are some information that you must know that right now you don't know. You understand? And those are the informations I promise I will bring them on YouTube. So please, if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe, share it, like it, comment. Tell me what you want me to do, and I promise I will do them. God bless you guys. Have a pleasant day ahead, and I wish you a very profitable trading. Bye, guys. Bye.